What would you do if your neighbor turned against you? In a quiet forest, peace is shattered when one tiger's pride threatens everything. But what happens when the weakest stand up together against the strongest? This isn't just a story about animals, it's a powerful lesson about unity, courage, and the true meaning of being a neighbor. Stay with us. This tale might just change the way you see strength and loyalty. In a forest, there were 3 houses built back to back. In each house lived 2 brothers. In the middle house lived 2 tiger brothers. On the right side, 2 dog brothers lived. On the left, 2 donkey brothers. The tiger brothers had lived peacefully for many years alongside their neighbors, the dog and donkey brothers. Each morning, all 3 pairs would wake up early, leave their homes to search for food, and return by evening. But one day, the younger tiger said, "My brother, this house is too small for us." The older tiger replied, "I know, but what can we do?" The younger tiger said, "If we manage to remove the dogs from their house and take them, our home will become larger." The older tiger said, "How could we do something like this to our neighbors?" The younger tiger said sharply, "Don't talk to me about neighbors or anything else. I only care about us now." The older brother was surprised and asked, "But do the dogs even have somewhere to go?" The younger brother replied, "That's not my concern. I'm just speaking my mind." The older tiger continued, "And if they refuse to leave the house, what's the solution?" The younger tiger replied, "If they resist, we'll transfer them to another house." The older tiger looked confused. "Another house? I don't understand. What do you mean?" With a sly smile, the younger tiger jokes, "One dog to your stomach and the other to mine." The older tiger's eyes widened. "You mean eating them?" The younger tiger answered proudly, "Yes, exactly." The next morning, the younger tiger walked confidently to the dog's house. He stood tall and said firmly, "You have 2 days to leave this house. Prepare yourselves." The dogs were shocked. Fear filled their eyes. "Leave?" the big dog said. "But where will we go? We have no other house. What shall we do?" They sat together, deeply disturbed, and began to discuss their situation. The big dog sighed. "This issue is heavy on the heart. I don't see a way out." The small dog replied, "If we don't follow the tiger's order, we might get eaten. But maybe we should at least talk to our neighbors, the donkeys." The big dog was doubtful. "What can the donkeys possibly do for us? They can't stand against tigers." The small dog said gently, "Maybe they can't protect us, but sharing our pain won't hurt. Maybe they'll have an idea." So the 2 dogs went to the donkey's house. They knocked on the door and called out, "Peace to the owners of the house." The donkeys opened the door warmly. "Our neighbor's doggy, welcome. Please come in." The 2 dogs entered the donkey's house and rested. After a moment of silence, they shared everything: the threat from the younger tiger, their fear, and their uncertainty. After listening carefully, the younger donkey said, "So what do you expect us to do? This is your problem with the tigers, not ours." But before the dogs could respond, the older donkey turned sharply to his brother. "You foolish donkey. How can you speak like this? These dogs are our neighbors. Helping them is not just kindness, it is our duty." He continued, his voice firm and steady. "Today the tigers come for the dogs. Tomorrow, they will come for us. Once they take the dog's house, they'll want more, and we'll be next. We must act before it's too late." The younger donkey lowered his head. "You're right, my brother. I was wrong. I didn't think it through. I understand now. We must help." The 4 neighbors, 2 dogs and 2 donkeys, agreed they would stand together. From that day, they began preparing. The donkeys trained their legs for defense and strength. They visited a local blacksmith, an expert in crafting iron gear, and got protective iron case armor for themselves. The dogs, too, began training. They sharpened their teeth and improved their speed, discipline, and courage. After days of training and full preparation, the 2 dogs and 2 donkeys walked together to the tiger house. They stood tall and united. One of them knocked on the door. The younger tiger opened it and froze. Standing before him were not just the dogs he had threatened, but the donkeys too, armored, alert, and ready. The small tiger narrowed his eyes and asked, "What is the reason you've all gathered and come here?" The big donkey stepped forward and replied calmly, "What is the reason you're trying to take the house of these dogs?" The small tiger said, "What business is it of yours?" The donkey stood tall and firm. "These dogs are our neighbors. They asked for help, and we're here to stand with them." The tiger said, "So, you're cooperating with them?" The big donkey said, "Yes, exactly." The small tiger's eyes burned with pride and anger. "Then we'll eat all of you." But the big donkey stood strong and replied, "You cannot do that. We will fight with everything we have, our strength, our unity, and our iron-covered legs. We will defend ourselves." The two dogs stepped forward beside the donkeys, teeth bared and jaws clenched. They stood ready to protect their home, side by side with their allies. The younger tiger hesitated. This was no longer about two frightened dogs. It was now a united front, a wall of courage and loyalty. As the group turned to leave, the big donkey looked at the dogs and said gently, "Don't worry. No matter what happens, we will never leave you alone. In any case, we will stand by your side. Always." And with that, they parted peacefully, stronger, wiser, and more united than ever before. After the donkeys and dogs walked away, the older tiger turned to his younger brother and asked quietly, "What do you think now about this battle you wanted to start?" The younger tiger, still filled with pride, said, "I don't care. I'll defeat anyone who stands against me." The older tiger looked at him seriously. "All right, but tell me, what will you do if the donkey strikes you with his iron-covered legs? Or if the dog defends himself and tears into your body with his sharp teeth?" The younger tiger hesitated. "What will I be?" he asked, almost whispering. The older tiger spoke calmly. "You will be seriously wounded and maybe even die. Is that worth it?" The younger tiger was silent for a moment, then sighed deeply. "Then, what is better?" The older tiger placed a paw on his brother's shoulder and said, "The better path is to give up evil actions. Let go of pride, and leave the dog's house in peace." Finally, the younger tiger nodded slowly. "You're right, my brother. I give up this wicked plan." Word of the decision soon reached the donkey and dog families. When they heard that the tigers had abandoned their plan and would no longer take the house, the donkeys and dogs were overjoyed. The two donkeys stood behind their neighbors with pride, protectors, friends, and defenders of justice. Together, with the dogs, they celebrated not just safety, but the power of unity, courage, and doing what is right, even when it's hard. What can we learn from this story? True neighbors do not turn away when trouble comes. The donkey did not just protect their dog neighbors, they protected themselves from the same threat. Unity in the face of injustice is not just kindness, it is survival. Standing together during difficult times builds a wall no enemy can break. In the end, courage and compassion defeat pride and cruelty. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more powerful lessons from history and storytelling. Share this with someone who needs to be reminded. True strength is found in standing together. Comment below, have you ever had to stand up for someone, or had someone stand up for you?